This tutorial is to show you how to add a choice activity, which really looks like a poll on Moodle. So again, go to your course and I want you to click the Turn Editing On button, or else we won't be able to do anything. So I'm going to choose a block to put my choice activity in. So you would click Add an Activity, drop it down, and you will click Choice. You have to give it a name. So mine is math. So my choice activity is going to be how I feel about math poll. They're going to be taking a poll. This is the instruction area, so you're telling them what they have to do. So I'm going to say, okay, for this activity, please tell me how you feel about math. You can only choose one answer. That's all I'm going to put. Alright, so limiting the number, right now that's disabled. So if I were to leave this, they could choose, like, you can only have one choice. So just so you know, for choice, they can only choose one answer always. I put that in there so students realize that. Limiting means if I were to enable this and put 2, then only 2 people could make this choice, whatever it were to be. So if I were to put math is really hard to me, then only 2 people could put that. So I don't want to have that enabled. I'm going to disable that because I want them to have a choice of anything. So this one I'm going to put I love math, it's easy to me. And then in the next one I'm going to put I love math, but sometimes it's challenging. I'm going to put I don't like math because I don't understand it. And finally I'm going to put I am not sure about how I feel. I'm not sure how I feel about I'm having some typing errors here about math yet. Alright, so I put all my options. Your choices are the options. So those are all in. I'm going to scroll down. We're not going to restrict this date period, so leave that just like it is. Make sure it's grayed out. You can display the choices horizontally or vertically. If you have a lot of options, you're going to want to do vertically, and I'm going to choose vertically anyway. Then you have some different options for publishing the results. One, the students cannot see what the results are. They just choose, and you're the only person who can see the results. Or they can only see them after they answer. So once they've answered, then they can see what other people have said. Or they can only see them after the choice is closed. This only works if you did set a date criteria, which we are not. And the last one says they can see them at all times. So I'm going to do show results to students after they answer. Then it says privacy of results. Do they want to see what other students said with their names? So full results would show the other students' names and what they said. Well, I don't want that, 'cause I don't want them to see that so-and-so doesn't like math and is going to tease them about it or something. So I'm going to put publish anonymous results. Do not show student names. Allow choice to be updated means they can come back and change their mind if they want. So I'm going to click no, because once they're done, they're done. And unanswered will tell me who has not actually taken part in the poll, but I'm going to leave that at no as well. When I'm done, I'm going to hit save and display so I can see what this is going to look like. So that's the survey. This is what the students would see. When I have you send me the link for this so I can grade it, you're going to copy the web address up here and you're going to paste it in the assignment area on Moodle. You have to have one choice activity on your Moodle course on the rubric for the end of the course project. So make sure you've taken care of that. And I think that's it for Moodle Choice.